All right, here we go again. We're back. Okay, next. Let's proceed. Okay, now, because you are very fun of playing computer games, what games is this, do you think? What games is this? What is the name of this game? What is the name of this game? What do you think?
Is
What game is this?
this game is fishing.
Fishing. All right, so the title of that game is Fishing.
Fishing.
Okay, very good. Fantastic. You have a good idea. So, that is when you play this game entitled Fishing. Okay, very good. Next, let's proceed. All right, so listen to teacher. In reading and writing part 3, you complete spelling. You should carefully count the numbers of lines for each word and check your spellings have used all the letters. Okay, now you need to use your pen. Use your pen. First, example, robot. Robot. So
Rob,
this is the
robot.
number. So now, what can you do with these six things? Okay, this one, what do you think? What name is this? This is the number. Write the letter here. What is the name of this?
Bear.
Okay, can you write the letter? Write the letter.
I don't understand.
Write the letter. Okay, I will write. Example like this. So write letter B, E, like that. So next, okay. No, 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 no. Next, we have letter E. I know this one here. Okay, so you need to write, like example, letter B, letter E, letter A, letter R. All right. So did you get it? Can you use your pen?
Bear.
Okay, here. What do you think? What is this? Ah, what is this?
Boat.
Okay, very good. Can you write the boat? Okay, try. Try it.
B. I.
Yes.
O. B.
Yes. Okay, very good. That is boat. Okay. Now, here. This one. What do you think? What is this?
Kite.
Okay, write the word kite. Right. Write the word kite. Letter K. Okay, write the letter. Write the letter. You need to write the letter so that you will know that is the meaning of or the spelling of kite. Okay, letter K. Write letter K. Okay, letter. Okay, okay. I will write here. Wait for a while. So letter, start with letter K. Next, what letter? Here, what letter? Letter I. So I, like this. I. Enter. No. All right, next we have letter. What's the next letter? K, I, then letter T. Then we have also E, elephant. Okay, that is kite. Can you read it again? Kite.
Kite.
Okay, did you already experience how to play kite? All right. Next we have, what do you think? What is this? All right, here. What do you think is the answer? Ah?
A plane.
Okay, very good. A plane. So can you write the letters of plane? All
Um,
right, so we have letter P. Okay, plane. Then, how about the last number? What do you call this? Eating banana. What animals is that?
monkey.
Okay, very good. It's a monkey. Okay, monkey, monkey. All right. Because of that, you got the correct answers instead of wrong. So I will give you an amazing clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Zing, zing, zing. Amazing. Fantastic. Okay, very good. All right, next, let's proceed to. Okay, wait for a while. Let's go back first. All right, now design a robot. So you will design a robot. Do you want to design a robot? Can you do it? All right. Can design a robot. Draw a robot. Draw or design a robot. Draw. Can you do it? Draw a robot. Draw.
I don't know.
You don't know how to draw robot like this? Okay. Follow the drawing of teacher Kim. A robot is, oh no, this one. Okay, here. A robot. Like this, a robot. A robot. Can you say a robot? Can you draw? Do you know how to draw, Kang? Alright, so, okay, continue draw this, your robot. Continue. All right. Can you do it? Can you draw or not? All right. So okay, let's proceed. Okay, this one. What can you see the screen? Look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture? So this is the boy is holding what? What is this? Ah, what is that? That is a ball. So this is a ball. Because this is a ring, a
Ball,
basketball. Okay, this is a
ball,
ball. Again,
ball,
what thing is this?
ball,
Okay, that is a ball. All right, now what can you see in this
ball,
picture?
ball, ball.
Find six things. Okay, what can you see in the screen? Kang, what can you see? I can see what? What can you see in the screen?
I can see ba bum ba ba bum ba bum.
What can you see in the screen?
I can see bar. Is so many bar.
Ball, and then what else? What else?
And I can see is dog and
All right,
people.
dog, and then what else?
People.
People, and then another.
Fight. Crocodile.
A crocodile, very good. What else?
Ah. Mm. And a motorbike.
A motorbike, very good. Another. What else?
And truck.
And
And car.
truck, yay, very good. That
And
is a truck. Okay, so what else? What else did you see in the screen? What else?
Bobo Black Beetle.
Yes, all right. So there's a lot of things that we see in the picture. So you are correct. This is the truck, a motorbike, balls, dog, a bicycle, a book. The girl is writing, a bag. So there's a lot of things and people that we see in this picture. All right. Since it's already time, we need to stop here and let's continue this next meeting. Okay. So here, this is your assignment. I will give you an assignment. Listen and color. So you need to color this color. Okay, so for now, bye-bye and have good night. Bye-bye.
Bye bye and good night.
Okay.